In this video, I'm gonna explain you how you can run and how I run live Zoom webinars, free classes from which I enroll groups of people into my Skool membership program. When I ran my first few live classes, Zoom webinar classes for free, right? I got 10, 15, 20 people come to the live class, and after the live class, I enrolled 3, 4 into my membership program, and I followed up with the rest, and I signed up another 1 or 2, and I did workshops this week and then another one in the next 1 or 2 weeks, and I kept doing that for some time, and that's how I grew my first membership program to 20, 25 members. And running live workshops allows you to enroll a group of people into your Skool membership program so much faster. Enjoy this video, and to get more value and info like this, make sure to click the link down below. Join my free Skool community where you will learn how to sign your first 5 members and then some by also running live workshop classes. Let me explain you now a few benefits of running live workshops, and then I'm gonna explain you how you should approach running your first workshop, right? Now, organizing live workshops allows you to build a large list of interested people. It's an easy way of building an email list of people who would want to attend your free class. It's easy to move people also from social media to get on your email list by you getting them signed up for your free live workshop class, right? So basically, it's an email list builder technique. It's a lead magnet as well. It just builds your email list massively when people sign up to attend your free live workshop class, right? Then, when you run your live workshops, right? Imagine 20 people come to the session, each class, right? You can do them weekly or twice a month or once a month, whatever the cadence is, right? You can learn so much from these people who come to the session. You are learning from their questions, you see their objections, so you see what people are struggling with, right? And you really see what they really want and what they think about your method. Do they believe you? And so on. And what they think about your membership offer as well, right? They state their concerns, and then you can see why people would join it and why they wouldn't, right? So basically, running live workshops, free Zoom classes just allows you to gather so much information. And it's, as I said, it's easy to get people to it because it's a free live class that they attend, right? Now, by running a live class, like I said before, you are actually communicating to many, and you can enroll more people at the same time. So it's not like you're doing one-on-one sales calls, but you're communicating to many, you are moving a lot of people at the same time. And as I said, it's like sales calls on steroids. Running live classes as well increases your energy. It increases your personal energy on a weekly basis. You're like, woohoo, something's going on here. I'm inviting all of these people to attend my free class. I'm talking to so many people. My content is working. My email list is growing, right? And you are putting yourself out there in a very simple way, right? You're actually offering people to come to your free class. It's not like you are selling anything to them on social media. You are like, hey, come to my free workshop. Have you registered? Comment down below, invite. I'm gonna send you more info and so on, right? So it just increases your energy, and it also increases energy of people who attend the Zoom class group environment here. They're like, whoa, something's going on here, right? This person is leading us. We are all here on the same page. I would like to continue this energy. I would like to join this person's membership program so I can stay in this flow of energy that I'm experiencing and that's happening here, right? Running live workshops also increases your productivity, right? It's very simple, as I said, to promote a free workshop, right? Instead of directly promoting your membership, you are getting people to register for a free class first, right? But then it's like a domino effect, right? Sales just happen then after automatically anyway, because you are exposing your offer to people all the time. You are talking to people, getting people on one-on-one calls as well. You present to the live workshop attendees your offer on a group on that call. Few people will join it, your membership offer then live. You're gonna continue chatting with them, book more calls. Everything just falls in place if you put yourself out there, right? And it's easy to then just be productive every day because a lot of things is happening to you and a lot of things is going on, right? Now, another very good benefit here is that people who came to your free live workshop group class, they just got used to the idea of being in a group environment and working with you, right? They just got used to being part of your group class, which means that if they sign up into your membership program, they will already know how your weekly group coaching classes look like, and they will actually come to those classes. What happened to me when I was starting with my membership program? I firstly went just on one-on-one sales calls, and I enrolled people from those one-off sales calls, and then they were not really used of the group environment yet because they just met me one-on-one. But then when I started doing live workshop classes, they actually didn't go on a sales call with me yet. They first attended the free live class in a group environment, and they were like, yes, I actually would want to work with this guy as part of his group, and now I know how the group looks like, I will join it. And then I just started attracting those people who actually already fit this idea of group coaching from the get-go, right? And all then worked so much better because I was able to sustain those group coaching calls, because people who came, they were like, yes, I want to be part of a group coaching environment, right? So final idea here is that live workshop classes just connect it all. This idea of running live Zoom classes, free masterclass workshop, it just boosts it all, right? You can sign a group of people into your membership program. You can talk to a lot of people. You build an email list, and you are getting people now into your group coaching membership program, and everything just flows for you, right? I'm gonna share with you 3 sales conversion techniques, first of all, right now, of how you will sign people from your live workshop classes, and then we're gonna also discuss how to actually run a live workshop Zoom class, right? The first technique is of converting people into your membership program when they attend your live class is that you can present to them an offer at the end of the 1-hour Zoom group call. Actually, in the 35 minutes of the live class, right, you present to them the offer, and you can enroll 3, 4, 5 people in one shot into your membership program, right? So basically, running live Zoom classes, free classes, allows you to enroll groups into your membership program. That's the first technique, right? Some people will just join on their own when you gave them an offer on the live call. I'll explain you that later, how that's done in a real live environment, right? But you're gonna give people the link to your Skool about page, and they will sign into your program on spot on this live group call. Then secondly, some people won't join from live group calls because maybe they didn't have more than 1 hour of time, they needed to go somewhere else, but they are quite interested to join, right? So you'll be able to follow up with them after this live group call and message them and so on. They will chat with you, and you can book calls with them, right? So it allows you to talk to more people, get people on calls, and you sign them then that way, right? And by the way, before the live workshop class even happens, when people register for it, you can invite some people before the live group class even happened. You can invite some people on a call already before the workshop and sign them even before they attended the live class anyway, right? So talking to people is one technique as well that's gonna get you more people signed up, right? Chatting with them, going on calls, sign them in, right? And the last thing that I wrote here is an automated email sequence will be sent to all the attendees. Those who didn't sign up on a live call yet will get a 5, 6, 7 emails follow-up sequence that will sell them your membership program on its own, or they're gonna get them to schedule a call with you, right? So this is an automated, there exists an automated way as well. After the live class happened, it's gonna get you more booked calls, or it's gonna get people sign up by just clicking the link, because the workshop live class warmed them up anyway, right? They just needed something to push them over the edge, and emails push them over the edge, or them going on a call with you pushes them over the edge, right? So that's that now, right? Now you know a few techniques which we're gonna practice later as well together, of how to actually do those techniques to sign people into your membership program. But now let's talk about how to run a live class, how to run that one workshop that you're gonna organize first, and then you're gonna do a few more, of course, right? But 3 stages here. First, you're gonna need to fill the workshop, right? You're gonna need to get people signed up for it, right? You're gonna need to, and before this stage, there is also a preparation stage, which I didn't mention here, right? You're gonna gonna need to prepare everything so you're ready to start filling the workshop and then running it and so on, right? So you're gonna need to promote for a few days, 3 to 5 days, I suggest, not even like 1 or 2 weeks. You gotta do this in a shorter, faster pace environment, like post content, write emails, chat with people, DM people, and invite them manually. So you can get 5, 6, 10, 15 people to come to this free class, right? So promote for a few days. The idea that you're gonna run a free class where you're gonna teach your transformational method, transformational plan of how people can achieve that specific certain outcome. So that's what you're gonna promise to people. And then people will register and you're gonna run your workshop, right? I will teach you how to do all of these steps in the later videos. Then people will attend your live class, right? For 1 hour. They're gonna come to the Zoom call and you're gonna, first of all, teach them for 20-30 minutes, right? Before you teach them, of course, you're gonna just get them all on this, you're gonna get them to comment in the chat, ask any kind of questions. I'll share with you the agenda of how to do this 1 hour class in the next video as well. But just imagine that for the first 20-30 minutes, you're gonna teach, right? Q&A in between all the time, and then the main Q&A after you taught them for 20-30 minutes. And after the Q&A, you're gonna tell people, hey, if you like what you see here, if you like these vibes, and if you would like to interact more often with us in this group environment, if you would actually want to put this plan in action, I run a group mastermind support group membership program that you can join for only $97 a month. Understand this, you want to state the price upfront as fast as possible so they don't have those thoughts in their mind, how much this is, will I be able to afford it or not. Just I tell the price upfront to people, it's $97 a month, and then I go into what's included and how it's all gonna look like. I give presentation for another 5-10 minutes and then I say, hey, you know what guys, I'm gonna drop the link. Some of you could already join the program right now. If you have any questions, of course, ask them first to me. I'll answer them right now, but I'll drop the link, and whoever joins it right now, I'm gonna spend another 15 minutes to 30 minutes after this call right now, and I'm actually already gonna get you started, and we're gonna get you ready for the next week's group call that we have anyway with our members, right? That's how this 1 hour should go. In 1 hour, you will be able to teach, present your offer, and get some members signed up, right? And after the workshop, then after this 1 hour passed and you already onboarded the few people, just like after a few days after, right, you're gonna be following up with people, sending emails out, you're gonna be messaging people who attended and didn't join your program yet, manually chat with them and try to book some more calls, follow up with people and get them started, right? So that's the plan here, right? That's how you will run live workshops. And then after you did your first one, you're gonna repeat this whole process and do another one the next week or in 2 weeks time, right? The goal here is that you do quite a few to get used to running live classes, because from these live classes you can enroll groups of people at the same time, you build an email list bigger, you can have more sales calls booked in, you can enroll members into your membership program, and you can communicate your value through these group classes faster to more people and sign them into your membership program. If you have any questions about how to put your first workshop live class in place, make sure to come into my free Skool community where I will answer your questions. I'll help you out for free and you're gonna be able to launch. And in the free Skool community, I also have a free course where you can learn how to create your membership program on Skool and how to sign up your first 5 members, and then also how to do live workshops to enroll more and grow to 20 members, 30, 40, 50, 100, and so on. Okay, come to my free Skool. Let's have some fun together.